The CDAS server is meant to disseminate the climate model data generated in-house. We invite Dr. Ravichandran sir, Honorable Secretary Minister at same time to inaugurate the CDAS server. Cleaner.
The Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, an autonomous body of Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, has been a pioneer institute and a center of excellence for more than 5 decades in weather and climate sciences.
Weather and climate are most important parts of our lives. Climate affects nearly every aspect of our lives. It has a huge impact on our livelihoods, health, and future. Climate is changing due to human activities, and these changes are already having a big impact on our lives. It is important to understand how the climate is changing so that we can prepare for the future. State-of-the-art Center for Climate Change Research established at the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM, Pune, launched in 2009 with the support of Ministry of Earth Sciences. Government of India focuses on better understanding the science of climate change over the tropics and enable improved assessments of the regional climate responses to global climate change. An important achievement by the CCCR is the development of Earth System Model, which is an important step towards understanding global and regional climate response to long-term climate variability and change. The CCCR-IITM has contributed to the National Climate Change Assessment Report of the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India. The climate projections from IITM takes a novel pursuit from India to contribute to the Intergovernmental Panel for Climate Change, IPCC, 6th Assessment Report. CCCR-IITM has also generated high-resolution future projections which are useful for regional impact assessment studies. The CCCR-IITM has established Climate Data Archival and Distribution System, TAS, for disseminating climate change projections generated from India using the IITM Earth System Model developed in-house at IITM, Pune. The climate data and climate change projections from CCCR-IITM are being used by various stakeholders including state governments and national and international organizations. The initiative will also contribute to the data dissemination as part of Coupled Modeling Intercomparison Project 7 of the World Climate Research Programme, WMO, and will be used in the IPCC Assessment Report. Most importantly, the climate change projections will serve as important datasets for global and regional assessments of climate change and its impacts on different sectors. The TAS server at IITM has a storage capacity of 2 petabytes and will serve as a mirror server for hosting outputs from climate models contributing to the IPCC AR7. The TAS server is part of the Earth System Grid Federation server maintained globally for disseminating climate data produced from the global climate modeling centers. The TAS server is designed to handle large-scale data management for worldwide distribution and will enhance the current climate research infrastructure capabilities in India and abroad.